That's their address on here. It's on Main Street, 27 Main Street. So yeah, you don't have to go till to Yorkdale to get cheesecake. This is what the pumpkin pie is. It looks so yummy. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on my channel. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today I'm exploring a little bit of downtown Brampton. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little of where I'm heading. So there's always construction all over the place, as you can see. We have the green, so let's go. There's so many cute little cafe, cute places to go. I'm in the mood to try something, maybe. So we'll see how that goes. If I am gonna go try something. So this is right now we're on Queen Street. And as you can see, construction again. Thank you guys for all the love and the support on my last video. That was truly amazing. I didn't expect the video to actually blow up that much. So that was very inspiring. Panda Mart is somewhere I'll probably go again because I really like the stuff that they had, but the lineup was crazy. Okay. So there's so many banks around this area too, so which is very convenient. There's an African market. It looks Caribbean as well. And there's chai. Well, I have already had a coffee, so I'm good. Bubble tea. It's really nice to come out and walk and explore a little bit of the area that you're working or you're just living your daily life. So I really feel nice to be out in the sun right now. So many buildings. And there's so many nice little cafe places to try. I'll probably head over that way. This is one of my favorite spots to come. It's so nice. So peaceful and relaxing. So like if you want to just have a chill day, this is where I would come to sit and chill. There's Subway. And then there is the Cheesecake Factory. And it's the actual real cheesecake. So it's in Brampton, guys. And there's so many cool food places that you can try. I don't know what I should get. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm exploring Brampton, downtown, that is. This is like my most recent time here and there's so many like cute places I just want to put on here. So for some strange reason, I'm having this craving to get like a cheesecake. So I'm gonna go in here to see what they have for dessert today. Hey, so many nice flavors. I can't figure out which one I want. So weird. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Can I have the pumpkin cheesecake?
Pumpkin?
Yeah.
It's polished, right?
Yeah. And it has pecan on it, and I love pecans.
Would you like it order or to go?
To go. Factory. They're gonna have their grand opening tomorrow, so remember to come and check out. I'm gonna attach it on the link so you can come up. You gonna have sales?
Yes, we're gonna do.
Yeah, they'll have sales too. I got the goodies. So apparently they're gonna have a sale tomorrow. I got their flyer. So I'm gonna go sit in this. You're welcome. Hey guys, so apparently they're gonna have this sale tomorrow. It's like a grand opening. It's new. It's a new cafe there, and yeah, they're gonna have like, I guess, samples, and then everything is gonna be like a percentage off. I think she said $5 or something. Maybe I should have waited and come till tomorrow. Anyways, it's fine. Okay, so that's their address. That's their address on here. It's on Main Street, 27 Main Street. So yeah, you don't have to go till to Yorkdale to get cheesecake. This is what the pumpkin pie is. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna try a piece of it. But it's so good. So yummy.